The Japanese beetles is the hard one to get rid of. And they're like all your best flowers, like roses, anything that smells good is going to attract Japanese beetles. And once they land on a plant, they send out a pheromone or a signal to all the other Japanese beetles. They will just collect on that plant. And once that plant dies, they just move on. So they'll just gradually move on from each plant in your garden. And so you need to have some Japanese beetle defense. So today, that's what we're going to do. So this here is my Japanese beetle defense. Just ordinary dish soap. And this is a sprayer I got at Walmart for I think $25. So just put dish soap in there. I don't even know that it matters how much, because it always seems to work. I just put a good squirt in there, and then the garden hose, just fill it up with water. Yeah, so you just fill it up with water. Maybe a little bit more, because the water is really coming out. I'm going to turn down the water because you get so much so much soap suds in there that there. Yeah, it just filled up fast. Okay, so that's probably it. So then just put this on. And that's really all there is to it. No mixing or anything like that. Just put soap in there and fill it up with water. Okay. Show you how to get rid of Japanese beetles or any other insect pest that you have in your garden. Now, if you've never seen Japanese beetles, here is one right here on this leaf. And they will, here's another one right here. They're evidently moving to the peonies. They will attack your entire garden. And they seem to go from like one plant to another. And they send out a signal, and then it attracts all the other ones to that plant. So just spray the plant real good with where you find the Japanese beetles at. See when they're crawling around. And they won't be bothering you anymore. This is a regal lily. Now, this is ordinarily where I would expect to find them. They seem to like the sweetest smelling plants. That one really is strongly perfume scented. So yeah, I'm just walk along looking for them. Once you know what they look like, they're easy to spot. Here we go, right here. Here's a strongly scented hybrid lily. You can see one down there. You can see one right here. So once you see it, there's another one over here. Once you see them on here, they will multiply rapidly, get more. So just spray them. So wherever you see them, just spray them real good, and they'll be gone. I usually go out and check every day once I start spraying for them. Look right here, you can see a whole bunch of them. You can see the holes in the leaves. This is zinnias, and you know, that's usually the first place I see them. There's a bunch down there. So keep an eye out for holes in the leaves, and then when you start examining, you'll see they're all over them. So just going to just get the sprayer out and spray them really good. Wherever you see the bugs, just get all of them. So I'm spraying the zinnias real good. That seems to be where they like to first go. This is the absolute easiest way to get rid of them. I'm just going to leave this sitting here so it's nice and handy, and then tomorrow I'll come out and check to see how things are doing. If I see any more of them, I'll go ahead and spray them too, and I'll just keep that up every day until they're gone.